There might be others nearby. So crazy, like you barely see it.
Right?
Hey guys, just out here hunting for morels. Look at them. Just actually in a secret spot in Anchorage, and we're finding a lot of them right now. So it's super cool. It's my first time foraging for morels, and it's really fun. You have to have a really good eye to actually get them. So filling up a little paper bag right now. Found my first morel in Alaska. Look at that thing. So tiny. Just found another one. If you can spot it, it's really just blended into the same color as these leaves. So they're really light and really just hard to find. Pick this one. So, another one. And I've been noticing that they've been growing kind of next to these horsetails. It's kind of in the shade right now. So, let's see if we can see something else. Also kind of just been using a stick to brush through and see if I can spot anything. These can be so hard to see, but found two. This is the second one I found in this area. Let's pull it by the root. And you can tell it's a real morel because the cap is connected to the stem, and obviously it'll also be hollow so you can see through. So this is a real morel. Just gonna put this in a little paper bag. These are some morels out here hunting and foraging for some morels. Look at these two nice guys, little guys next to each other. So I spotted this one from above, but it's actually a false morel. And if we did pull it up, you would be able to see that it is not hollow and the cap is not connected to the stem here. Hey guys, so we just got back from morel hunting here in Anchorage, Alaska. This is our mushroom bag that we use to put them in, and yeah, we spent like 2 hours out there and got a little bit of a haul, morel haul. So super cool finding them, but really hard. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what we got, and then we're going to process them. We just got back from mushroom hunting for morels here in Anchorage, Alaska, and we had this little mushroom bag. So just going to look at our haul from today. We spent about 2 hours going there. So here's everything we found. We'll pull them out. So unfortunately, we couldn't see our haul, but here's some pasta with the morels. You're supposed to let them sit in some water for a while so all the bugs and stuff get out of them. So anyways, we're gonna give this a try. Okay, so look at these guys. Really good. This is my first time trying morels. I've never foraged for them before. Oh, it's really good. I also learned that you should try morels in moderation when you're first eating them, because you might actually be sensitive to them if they're not something you usually eat. And it's a really good idea to really cook them through. So the longer you cook it, the better. But Pasta is really tasty. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Andrew Kuipo Abroad, especially if you really love outdoor adventures and traveling and just that pure Alaska life. So see you guys next time.